How to delete the MiFit app. What is up everyone? In this tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can easily delete your account on the MiFit app. So the first thing you're going to have to do is go ahead and open up the app. Once you open it up, you can find different options at the bottom like workout, friends, and profile. Simply go ahead and head over to the profile icon. Once you go to the profile, you have different options right here. So all you're going to have to do is tap on the settings menu to open it up. And once your settings is open, you have different options like account and security, units, app permission manager, and check for updates. Tap on the first option, account and security. And once you get here, at the bottom, you have an option to delete your account. So simply tap on it. Now you'll get a confirmation to delete your account. Just tap on delete account. Then you're just going to have to provide your password for verification. Tap on sign in, and then you can confirm your delete account. That's it for this video, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.